So this is just a quick video to show you how to adjust the headlights on a 2007 Chrysler Town and Country, same on a Dodge Caravan as well. And what I've done is I've parked the car up and it's about 25 feet from a wall where I've been able to mark some tape on the wall roughly where I want the headlights to be at 25 feet. So the advice seems to be about 4 feet high. You can see those little tape marks, about 4 feet high from about 25 feet away. Make sure your car is parked nice and flat, otherwise you're going to be way out. And I'm doing this because my wife and I were both complaining like crazy that the headlights on this car were not very good, and then I realized that actually they were just pointing way too low. So this is super easy to do. All you need is a Torx T15, and you'll notice if you look just here above the headlight in this hole right here, there's a little Torx T15 nut in there, and it says R and L. R and L does not seem to mean right and left, it means raise and lower. Super easy. So all you need to do is just pop in your T15 in there, and then if you watch carefully on the wall, you can hear the ratchet going, and you can see that light moving up. So now my wife and I will be able to see, keep the family safe, and that is how you adjust the headlight beam on a Dodge Caravan, Chrysler Town and Country. This is 2007, so this model would have run from, about 2001 to the end of 2007 before they introduced the new model in 2008. I hope this is helpful.